Look how tiny and fast. It's a hummingbird. Let's spell it. Hummingbird. Hummingbird. Let's shout it again. Hummingbird. That's hummingbird. It flaps wings super fast. Bzz, bzz. Yippee! So speedy.